Instagram Melon Cruiser. You want to say my intro?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mello in the building, Mello TV. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
No. We're on our way to the car show in Depot Town. So excited. The last time we went to a car show in Michigan, we went to the Belleville car show, and it was so nice. Like our Uncle Brian took us. It was crazy because he's there right now and he didn't tell us that there's a car show going on.
We're only paying $400 a month for it.
All up in the whip. We even got Big Ma to come out. Like what? So yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
2025.
Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy the video. So excited. I should have brought my tripod, y'all.
Truck's overly fast. That's why I want one, because of how fast they are. I want an S10, but I can't.
Would you believe me if I told you she wanted to do and perfecting it? Nothing but great stuff to come. I'm not gonna stop yet, but we're gonna hand it back over.
That is nice. Oh my goodness. This one. Ooh,
Man, I got this on GTA.
there you go. It's Monte Carlo.
Where did you see the Monte Carlo?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
That says right there.
Go down by the truck pack. Lord, Lord,
Ooh, this bad thing. We are not licensed. This is Uncle Brian. This for sale. Would you drive this, CJ? I don't know nothing about the engines or anything, honestly, but it looks nice. That's so cool.
Then we got.
Ooh, this is Uncle Brian's right here. I remember riding to the car show in this. Sexy. I know, like, we got our license now. Come on, let us whip this thing. Let us whip it. Oh my goodness. These are the type of cars that I like to look at, y'all. I like to look at the old school stuff like this, like that. That, especially the Monte Carlo, but like, I like cars like these. Like not last year, but a couple years ago, we went to the Belleville one, and it was just so nice. So many cool cars there. Like, this place is... Anyways, but yeah, I just really like these. They're all so nice. Ooh, I like that green. That green is nice. Ooh, wee.
Yo, that's amazing.
That's so nice.
And you got the carpet go crazy.
Oh.
Yep.
So I'm saying, this is how you know you had money back then, y'all.
This is,
Look at this.
Bro, you know how
at
fast you can make these things, bro.
What in the
Look at the rims,
world?
they're tough.
I know. Oh, look, yeah.
She makes a comment to be like that.
Nice one rolling by. Okay.
All right, long night. Let us know. Check us out at Ohio.
Look at this, y'all. Don't mind my eyes squinting a little bit because the sun is right in my face. Nice. I should have brought my tripod, but I left it. This is a nice one that we about to come up on. Look at these. Ooh.
This is a nice one.
This right here, that'd be nice. Yes.
Are they all Pontiac?
Ooh, look at that color. The color of that thing, boy. Hold on. Look at that. Ooh, wee. Oh, that color's so sexy. So vibrant. Ooh, all blackened. Yo, this bitch is sexy. I would totally love one of these cars. Like, dead serious. I'd take a car like this over my soul any day. But I low-key feel like I'm too small.
That one is nice.
Now everybody like, Big Daddy. This one's nice too. I love the red interior. This is probably the most nicest red I've seen. I know your granddaddy like cars too, like these, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I said we get our own and build it. I got my own so far. It's already pre-built.
The lighting's kind of bad because I'm facing.
All right, next time let it go.
Who parked it?
Everybody say what's up to the vlog.
Yo, in the vlog.
That one's nice too. Let's look at this one again, cause like, look how low it is on the ground.
Look at that boy, baby. Oh yeah, I can see where he lifted shit up.
Wow, this one's a what? 9 Plymouth coupe. Look at the seats. Whoa, I didn't even recognize this. I didn't even like pay attention. Ooh, this one's so nice. The all black on the outside, but the cream on the inside. Ooh. I don't really know what the heck that's supposed to be, but that's cool. Ooh, wee.
And it got the base, and it got the base in the back.
This one got the big balls. Yeah. We got the boss.
What?
Oh, nigga, y'all ain't see this? They got a whole snake skin right here.
Where?
Right here.
Snake skin? Whoa. What in the
Hey,
world?
you see the snake skin with the head on it?
Yeah, I got a snake in the back.
Let me take you to my wonderland.
Mommy would love this. From March 19th. These are so nice. So small on the inside, low key. Here.
Let me take you to that wonderland that only you can share. All I ask you is let me be there.
Man, that's nice. This is another Pontiac. The Pontiacs are really nice.
I said, let me be there in your morning.
Not gonna lie, y'all, I'm getting left behind, so let me hurry up.
Let me take you to that wonderland that only you can share. All I ask you
This is
let me be there.
Good boy, not that caffeine, a little too much on me tonight.
Oh, I had to
They
get a
also
picture of
have
this.
caffeine-free drinks for you over
Oh
there.
my God,
Traveling time
this
as
is
well.
nice.
So all you good folks that bought all these beautiful cars
Oh
out,
my
just here for the first
goodness.
time, thank you. Please
This is probably the best one I've seen so far out
Thank you
here.
so much. All right, Elvis, back to it. It's your man. Please give him another warm welcome.
Huh?
I said all these cars ain't got nothing on my Hyundai though.
We're not Hyundai boys.
I guarantee you, I bring my Hyundai out, everyone's gonna be looking at it.
Nobody knows talk about that shit. Welcome to Deep Hotel. He's out here.
Over here by the TikTok in the middle of the block. And let's see what else we want to tell you. 7:30 is going to be the drawing for the 50-50.
Oh, let me see this one. What that one say?
It's a Mustang right here.
A Mustang? Ooh.
No, you can tell us. You don't even have to look at it. You can tell us Mustang because like look at the rugs and stuff, bro. Look at those rugs.
Ooh.
But look at those.
Wow.
Look at the Mustang rugs, nice, bro.
I don't want to be all up in people's car, but I love just.
These
I
old
gotta
school cars,
see
bro.
them. What is that?
Oh, they got Elvis out here.
Boy, what the hell, boy?
Well, I'm the king of the jungle, they call me a tiger.
Got a free sucker, y'all. And I got like little vendors, shops open and everything out here, so it's not just cars. You know? Look, Chris about to go ahead and get him his coffee already. Already looking. I don't know. You don't know it? Okay. Oh, it just went like real quiet on the street.
Where did Elvis go?
Just 1 hour, and we can find a way. They're more like boots, but yeah, before you abuse, criticize and accuse, just a walk around in your shoes. Now we spend the day at home.
That was
I don't
pretty
think
low.
I wear my hair the same way you do. You know, well, I may be a common people, but I'm your
Look at this one, y'all.
And when you strike out, you try to hurt me. It's a hurt me. Walk around in my shoes.
Nobody give a fuck about those.
People on Frog Island and reservation there. Praise to God, though you have died. But walk around in my shoes. Walk around in my shoes. You better get before you abuse. Criticize and
Alright, y'all, we are reaching the end of the street where all the cars are. As you see, the barricade. And yeah, they have some pretty nice cars. We have completed it. We have completed the car show. Probably gonna do a little wrap around and get some things for my Instagram, but
Even customized it for us. And boy, is he amazing at this. I've seen it. I'm sure you have too. This is
yeah, this one's a Mustang.
All right, we are going to let you
He gave me 2 ideas for the interior and the outerior of my car.
What?
Uncle Brian gave me the ideas for the interior and outerior of my car.
What? What is it?
He said do the outerior black and get my interior a peanut butter color. Peanut butter or
You was able to find a
peanut
picture?
butter or a candy orange.
Okay.
So FISHER, Jack Fisher, we're going to Mr. Leonard of Leonard's Ice.
I'd like to thank everyone coming down to the car show. Leonard's Ice Cream Truck is a veteran-run truck. I hate to lose that one, I hate to let her go. My baby left me. You know she left me. My baby, even.
Right out and right through.
Wait, do it again.
All right, he's ready. We're going to let him get back after it.
Ooh, yeah.
That bitch got back car. I knew that.
Y'all want to do the hula hoop contest?
Hell no, come on. Hell no, come on. Talking about a damn hula hoop contest. We ain't doing that shit.